It was time to replace my Lexus 2010 struts. So I went on the internet and bought some Monroe struts, thinking that they're the common struts that people buy for this vehicle. And I took the old strut out, and just as a precursor, I made sure that it was similarly sized to the old strut. And this is what I found.
I got the Monroe Strut versus my Lexus Strut. This is not good. This is like 1.5 inches higher than the other. Is it gonna fit? This is peculiar. Well, this is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. And if you can see, it's just like 1.5 inches too tall, and I am not able to get it in. There's not a way to fit the strut at the top into the 3 holes because it's set at the bottom. There's you have the axle at the bottom, which prevents a little bit of the movement. This one fits right back in, but that one will not fit.
In the end, I had to wind up putting my old strut back into my car. It fit perfectly. What happens is the lower control arm is too high to be able to fit the new Monroe strut in with the 3 bolts at the top and the 2 large bolts at the bottom. I just could not get the 2 large bolt holes aligned into the lower control arm. So there was no way to make this fit. And I'm going to have to wind up turning this back in and finding an alternative source for struts. If you have any recommendations, please send them over.